Alright, so I'm going to start this off just kind of a basic overview of the car. It's just a fairly clean, rust-free 190. Nice interior, no rips other than that door panel. Headliner, perfect shape. All the wood pieces are nice. It's got the rev counter instead of a clock, even though it's a 2.3 auto. I do have the horn button, it's in the trunk. Basically the car was being used as a parts car because the motor's kind of, no good. But I have a RB25 26 hybrid I'm going to put in it. It's got a N1 bottom end, pistons, rods. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to get the interior all together. This door panel had this issue. It was separating on the top edge. Same as the driver's side. What's happening is this is supposed to poke into a little track on the top. And what's happening is it's kind of doing this. And then it bunches up and doesn't want to go in that little track. So what I'm doing is I'm gluing the leather back to the backer board, kind of just in my haggard garage kind of, attempt to fix what I already have in place. I got the car for free. I'm not trying to put a bunch of money into it, but I want it to be presentable. So what's happening here is not only did I glue the leather back to the backer board, but for some reason it kind of lost its shape on the top edge. So it was no longer wanting to go into the track. It was kind of just lazily hanging out up there. So what I'm doing is I've used some kind of urethane window molding and stuck it down in that track, and then kind of tucked the panel down in. So now it's secured and held in place with urethane window molding. And then I've got this set up to keep even pressure on it while it cures. Because other than that, I mean, it's a good door panel. There's no cracks, there's no sun fading. The car was a tinted California car. So it's not the best idea because if I ever have to take a door panel off, I'll have to take a razor knife down in that edge or something, but I don't know. Paint's not in the best shape. I think it'll buff up. Do a heavy cut on it. Cut and buff it. It is that kind of two-tone, has that body cladding, which I thought was kind of cool. I think eventually, once it's got the RB26, I'm going to go with the big whale tail Evo 2 wing and kit and flared arches, and we'll see. I'll try and keep updating the build as we go. It's not the most exciting, but it's something that gets me excited, and hopefully other people too. Okay, thanks.